Hey there, superstar! It's MadLives21, back with another episode of NFT Basics 101. Today, let's talk about how NFTs can do more than just sit in a digital wallet. They're your secret weapon for connecting with fans on a whole new level. Your fans are your biggest supporters. They show up, cheer you on, and follow your every move. Now, imagine giving them something that's not just memorable, but truly exclusive. A way to feel even closer to you. That's where NFTs comes in. NFTs aren't just collectibles. They can act as VIP passes to private experiences that only your biggest supporters get to enjoy. Think of things like backstage access, a one-on-one meet and greet, or a sneak peek of your next project. It's about making your fans feel like they're part of your inner circle. You could also create limited edition NFTs, something that feels as special as a custom couture gown. Maybe it's an exclusive piece of art, an unreleased song, or even a digital keepsake that marks a major moment in your career. When fans know they're getting something rare, it becomes more than a collectible. It becomes part of their connection with you. And here's where it gets really fun. NFTs can be interactive. Imagine creating something that evolves over time or unlocks surprises. It could be an NFT that reveals bonus content, a hidden track, or even a surprise invite to your next big event. It's all about keeping your fans engaged and excited. NFTs can also help you build exclusive fan communities. Picture this, a private group accessible only to NFT holders, where you share behind the scenes moments, connect directly with your fans, and even let them vote on future projects. It's a chance to turn your fan base into a close-knit community. Here's the bottom line. NFTs aren't just about selling art or music. They're about creating experiences that leave a lasting impact. They let you reward your fans in ways that are meaningful, personal, and unforgettable. In the next episode, we'll explore how to evaluate NFTs, whether you're collecting, collaborating, or creating your own. Until then, keep being the star your fans adore, inspiring the world with your brilliance and leading the way in this exciting new frontier. Let's keep redefining where fame meets blockchain.